What's going on, everybody? It is Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. Today we're going to be adding to the garage sale series playlist, but first I want to talk about something that's going to be happening tonight on Instagram. It's my first ever Instagram live. It's going to be hosted by Clutter Closet Jen, Retro Eric, and Oddball Vintage TO. We're going to be doing a Christmas show, Christmas in July 24th, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In today's video, I actually tried to pick up some Christmas items. I did find one, and for some reason, my GoPro didn't film it, so I'm going to show it to you right now. So I picked this item up at a garage sale just this weekend. It is a Christmas countdown clock. This exact one is listed on eBay for about $65, so this will be part of the sale. I'll throw up sort of my preview here so you can see. It's some stuff from my store, some stuff I had laying around, just some pretty cool Christmas stuff. Pretty excited to be doing this on Monday night, so if you guys want to stop by and say hi, definitely do that. Follow me on Instagram. It's at Thiftonfire, the same as YouTube, and you can check it out. But let's get into this yard sale video. Okay. Some video games in this one. Oops. Pardon?
A ton of stickers over here too from racing.
Do you know what you want for any of the games or discs here? Do you know what you want for any of the games or discs you have here?
You want them all? Pretty good, do you?
Yeah. I mean, they look like they're not all scratched up or anything, so.
Yeah, I hardly ever use them.
Oh, they're actually yours?
Yeah.
Are they, yeah?
I don't know, give me $10 to get everything.
Yeah, sure. What's this in there? I'm sure that's totally fine.
I can give you a box of VHS movies if you want.
I don't know what these are. I probably don't need whatever these discs are. Let you keep these. Not that you probably want them either, but yeah, $10. I can do that. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oops.
Whoa, jeez.
Yeah. Seems like something I would do. Who's this guy?
Yeah, that's an old one, that one.
Is it for PC or for?
It's for computer. I'm pretty sure it worked on the new one. I'm not 100%
Oh yeah.
sure,
I have a Mac. It wouldn't work on mine, but yeah, it is for PC. I was wondering sometimes when you look at the bottom, if it's black, they're PlayStation, right? But I think that is computer. Windows 98. Oh, that is like Kiss, like the band. They still have makeup on.
Yeah.
What? Let me see. Have a makeup on?
No.
Oh wow, that looks good.
That's cool. Would you throw that in with what I grabbed here?
Sure.
Yeah, you don't mind?
No.
Yeah, I don't know what I'll do with it, but I think it's kind of cool. Thank you.
Thought that might have been a mint, but that's the color they make their stuff. That's
Help me open this. Okay, JVC. You pull that out of there? It's just wet. This should go down there. $50 or?
Yep.
Probably worth $50. Look it up. It's just so hard to say what it needs or if it works, right?
Mm-hmm.
See if it's brand new in box, it'd be $450, but it's not. So parts only 30. If it works, 90. Yeah. It's so hard to say with these things. So one you look up and it's $300.
They need them all in one.
Yeah, you put them all at once. You sit there going.
Nope, nothing for me. Maybe you.
Oh, perfect. The Cuisinart thing there, I guess it's a meat shaver, right?
Yep, meat slicer.
Yeah, works as far as you know?
It works perfect. Everything electronic out here works. We made sure we tested.
Okay.
We even got an extension cord if you want to plug it in.
Oh, I believe you. Just...
I'd take $20 for it.
Okay, yeah, I'll definitely grab that.
Okay.
Well, I'll grab it on my way out, but I definitely want it for sure.
Absolutely.
See ya.
If you see something else too, like you just anywhere, just ask if you're not sure the price.
Okay.
Cheerios? Yeah. Oh, jeez.
All right, I guess I'm grabbing the...
All right, buddy.
It's the same friend's car right now.
There you go, my good man.
Awesome, thank you.
Jays aren't doing too bad this year.
No, they lost last night.
Yeah, did they?
Yeah, I
They
watched...
seem to be streaky like that. Win 3,
Yeah.
lose 2, win
Yeah.
3, lose 2. But we'll take it.
Yeah,
We'll
for
take
sure,
it.
for sure.
We'll enjoy that.
Are these your jackets too?
The first one?
The first rack?
Suppose the first rack, our rack, or your mom's rack?
The white one is ours.
Ours.
There's a Levi's jacket on there. Do you know what you wanted for that?
What do you want to give me for it?
I have no idea.
Throw
idea.
my price. $5.
Yeah.
Done.
Okay.
There you go. See? That's how easy it is.
Yeah.
I don't want to traipse it all home.
Yeah, I got you.
Or back to somewhere, or... Oh yeah, I owe you 5.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There she is. How are ya? I'm good. How are you? I thought I just said wait, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get some more smaller balls. Right? Mine's not far away. I'm like looking for you. Look at it. Thank you. So do you. Thank you. Thank you.
Sometimes when I'm out yard sailing, I like to stop by Goodwill, do a quick run around the store, just a lap around electronics and the shoes. So let's do that right now.
Few moments later.
The music in the store today was super loud. I did pick up 3 really good items. Stick around at the end of the video and I'll show you what they are when we get home.
So you'll have dog treats in your pocket.
Oh. Did both of these work, do you think? As far as you know?
As far as I know, they both work. If you're interested, you can have them both for the same price as one. I'm not taking them back. I'm not taking them back in.
I'll tell you what. I'll give you an extra $1. I'll give you $5. I'm gonna sell them online to tell you the truth. So it ain't gonna hurt me.
For parts, he's got 2 more inside.
Do you really?
Yeah.
But they don't work as far as you know?
As far as I know, they didn't work.
Okay. No, these are great though. Now, as promised, I have them laid out here old school on the ground. Let's take a look at the Goodwill items that I picked up. First, this is Harley Davidson t-shirt. At first, I thought it looked fairly modern. $4.79. You know, it's double stitched. We'll turn it over here. It's got some nice cat fur or some kind of hair weaved into it. So you take a look at the back. It's very nice. 1997. So definitely cool. 90s vintage. Let's go over to the other Harley one. This one I knew right away was older. It is on the Hanes Beefy Harley tag, 100% cotton, same price, $4.79, single stitched. That tells you right away it's probably old, right? Nice graphic, a little bit of cracking. Take a look at the back. Very nice, Reno, Nevada, 1991. I do feel like, I didn't comp any of these, but I do feel like this one's probably maybe 50 to 70. This one's probably 50 bucks. Now, I could be totally wrong there. Like I said, I didn't comp them. I was super wrong on the Beatles t-shirt recently that I picked up. But for the, you know, for the $5, $4.79 price tag, I think you can be a little bit wrong. It's totally fine. So I think they're going to be really good, though. Vintage Harley stuff definitely does well. Now, let's take a look at the leggings. So these ones caught my eye. They're certainly not real leather, but they are, I think this is high-waisted, and they are the Wilford-free size large. These ones, I'll try to find a comp and throw it up. I do believe when I looked them up in the store, something similar. I think they were around $50 used. So that was pretty awesome. I definitely know that's a good brand. I think that's a part of the Aritzia brand. I could be wrong. I don't know a ton about clothing, obviously. I just, stuff like that I look up. Vintage stuff like the Harley shirts, I know you should be picking those up. When it comes to designer clothing, I know brands that I've learned and heard from other people, but I'm not super familiar with them. It's not necessarily what I'm looking for. A lot of times I'm looking for vintage electronics, video games, vintage shirts, jerseys, stuff like that. But when I find stuff like that, I definitely know I should be picking it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. If you want to stop by tonight to the Instagram Live, come say hi. You don't have to buy anything. Just come visit, say hi, see what's going on. I think it's going to be maybe an hour or 2 hours total. That's what I was told anyway, but we'll see how it goes. Till next time, guys, take care, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.